Minash-Shaytanir-Rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. For lesson number 4, we learn how to create 3D roof, and today we learn how to make 3D solid door. Let we'll start. How to make the door same like this. First of all, we need one 3D door layer as before. Then we will create one rectangle. So we'll go in top view, rotate it, bring it into 2D wireframe. Now take rectangle and give the value 3 feet, 7 feet, enter. Here is a door frame value. Now we will trim the bottom side because bottom rail is not existing in the door frame. We will give 2-inch door frame width. Then we will make one polyline bottom side, and we will trim in between. Now we will apply join command to make it one item. Now we will take another rectangle to make panel frame or inside panel, door panel. We will take the offset 2-inch or 2.5 inch, minimum 5 to 6 centimeter. I will divide this door to create the design. Make sure it should be in the center and divide it in horizontal and vertical both sides. Take offset 1.25 to reach up to the same width of outer frame. Now take the offset or make copy for this one. Before making copy, trim these lines. Now copy this item and paste it in the center here as well. Just take the reference and delete all reference lines. Now apply clear command to trim all additional lines to make it one solid design frame for door panel. Our door panel frame is also ready. Go for isometric view, apply press pull command and extend door frame. Give the height of 6 inch because our wall width is 6 inch. If your wall is 8 inch, 10 inch, you can give the same command. Again press pull command and extend the door frame. Door frame width is extended as 2 inch thick. Now we can go for conceptual and we will see our door frame is ready and our panel frame is also ready. Now we just need to extend our panel inside. So for this reason I will hide these both solid items, and here are our rectangles. First of all, we need to make these rectangles a solid polyline as one polyline joint. So for this I will apply joint command J enter. I'll select rectangles and see all now joints. I will apply ext command, extend command, extrude command, sorry. I will give taper angle. For taper angle I will enter T and I will give it maximum 45-degree angle. And the height is 2 inch, same as panel height. Our panels are ready now. I will unhide the hidden objects. I'll rotate the door, and these corners are in these edges. We will make these edges little rotate. For this we will use fillet command, solid fillet, or 0.3 inch, it's enough. Here, like this. We will apply on all edges. To make the more realistic view. And here we get all rounded edge. We can make this door frame also rounded edge. Now our door is ready. Now one thing, because the panel and the panel frame are separate items, so we will apply union command to join them. See, now it is one item. Now just what we'll do, I will rotate this item. Here is 3D rotate. I will go in one southeast or southwest view, isometric view, and then I'll select door frame and door panel, and I will rotate it. And here is our door. It is ready now. I'll move it here. And see how it's in realistic view here. See, now one thing more, we need to create one lock, and door lock will be here. I'll take one circle and de-enter 1 inch enter. I will take it into 2D wireframe, ext enter 2 inch enter. Move it little inside 1 inch, and apply solid. So here to make it more realistic, de-enter and 2 inch enter. Union, apply union command to make it one item as door lock, and change the color. Now go for realistic view. See, our door lock is ready. This was our previous door. I'll delete this one and see how our door is. is looking now. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in next video, next lesson, how to create 3D windows, and then we will insert these all items in our small house that we created in our lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.